Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about some functions and their graphs. Dear students, two functions and their graphs, that is identity function and constant function, already I had discussed in lecture 3. Now we will discuss remaining functions and their graphs. First, we will discuss about modulus function. The function f defined from R to R such that fx equal to mod of x for all x belongs to R is called modulus function. That is fx equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x less than 0. Domain of modulus function equal to R and range of modulus function equal to right of open interval 0 to infinite. We may prepare its table given below. Here x and corresponding the function fx equal to mod of x. If x is equal to minus 3, corresponding mod of x is equal to 3. If x is equal to minus 2, corresponding mod of x equal to 2, and so on. If x is equal to 3, corresponding mod of x equal to 3. Using these values, we draw the graph of the modulus function, which is shown in figure 3. Now we will discuss greatest integer function or step function. A function f defined from R to R such that fx equal to greatest integer of x where x belongs to R is called greatest integer function. For any real number x, the symbol square bracket it x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. That is greatest integer of x equal to 0 for 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Means from 0 to 0.99 the value is 0. Means we exclude the value 1. Greatest integer of x equal to 2 for 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. Means from 2 to 2.99 the value is 2. Here we exclude the value 3. Greatest integer of x equal to minus 1 for minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0. Means from minus 1 to minus 0.1 the value is minus 1. Here we exclude the value 0. Greatest integer of x equal to 1 for 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. Means from 1 to 1.99 we get the value 1. Means we exclude the value 2. Here we can see the graph. Here this circle shows the value is excluded. Here 0 to 1. Here we exclude the value 1. Means we take values from 0 to 0.99 and here from 1 to 1.99, and this circle shows that we exclude the value 2. Here we exclude the value 3. Here we exclude the value 0. Dear students, domain of the greatest integer function is equal to R and range of the greatest integer function is equal to Z. That is the set of integers. Now we will discuss about signum function. The function f defined from R to R such that fx equal to 1 if x greater than 0, equal to 0 if x equal to 0, equal to -1 if x less than 0, or fx equal to mod of x by x where x not equal to 0. 0 when x is equal to 0 is called signum function. Domain of the signum function equal to R and range of the signum function equal to -1, 0, 1, where if x less than 0 implies that fx equal to -1. If x equal to 0 implies that fx equal to 0. If x greater than 0 implies that fx equal to 1. Dear students, using these values we draw the graph of the signum function, which we can see from the figure 5. Now we will discuss about polynomial function. A function f defined from R to R is said to be a polynomial function if fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on up to plus an x to power n, where n is a non-negative integer and a0, a1, a2 and so on an belongs to R. fx is equal to 2x plus 3. Here this is linear polynomial. Fx equal to x square, this is quadratic polynomial. Fx is equal to x cube, this is a cubic polynomial, or examples of polynomial functions. Here we discuss about the graph of the function which is defined from R to R such that fx is equal to x square, means graph of a quadratic polynomial for all x belongs to R. Here taking some optional value of x and corresponding the value of fx is equal to x square. -2 we get x square equal to 4, -1.5 we get x square is equal to 2.25 and so on. If x is equal to 2 we get fx equal to 4. Using these values we can draw the graph of the function fx is equal to x square, which is open upward parabola. Why it is open upward parabola? Already you know. Here the coefficient of x square is 1, which is positive. So if the coefficient of x square is positive, we get an open upward parabola. And graph of this function here, fx is equal to, domain of this function, that is fx is equal to x square, here equal to R, and range of the function equal to x belongs to R such that x greater than or equal to 0. Meaning of that is the range of the given function fx is equal to x square equal to right half open interval 0 to infinite. Now we will discuss exponential function. A function f defined from r to r such that fx is equal to a to the power x, where a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1 is called the exponential function. Domain of the exponential function equal to r, and range of the given exponential function equal to open interval 0 to infinite. Dear students, as a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1, we have the following two cases. Case 1, when a greater than 1, we observe that the values of y equal to fx equal to x to power n increases as the values of x increases also. Means as x increases, corresponding y equal to fx also increases. Also fx equal to a to the power x equal to less than 1 for x less than 0, equal to 1 for x equal to 0, greater than 1 for x greater than 0. So using these values here, we draw the graph of the exponential function, which can see from figure 7.1. Here from the graph we can see that as x increases, corresponding y also increases. Case 2, when 0 less than a less than 1, means when a lies between 0 and 1. In this case, the values of y equal to fx equal to a to power x decrease with increase in x, and y greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. Means here if x increases, corresponding the value of y equal to fx equal to a to power x decreases. Also here for fx equal to a to power x greater than 1 for x less than 0, equal to 1 for x equal to 0, less than 1 for x greater than 0. Here from the graph we can see that as x increases, here as x increases, corresponding the value of y decreases. Here figure 7.2 shows the graph of the exponential function when a lies between 0 and 1. Now we will discuss about logarithmic function. A function f defined from r positive to r such that fx is equal to log x to the base a, where a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1 is called the logarithmic function. Domain of logarithmic function equal to or positive, means the set of positive real numbers, that is open interval 0 to infinite, and range of the given logarithmic function equal to r. Dear students, as a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1, we have the following two cases. Case 1, when a greater than 1, in this case we have y equal to fx equal to log x to the base a, and this is equal to less than 0 for 0 less than x less than 1, equal to 0 for x equal to 1, greater than 0 for x greater than 1. Here we observe that the values of y increase with the increase in x. Means as x increases, the corresponding value of y also increases, and this can be seen from the figure 8.1. Case 2. When a lies between 0 and 1. 0 less than a less than 1. In this case, we have y is equal to fx equal to log x to the base a equal to greater than 0 for x lies between 0 and 1, that is 0 less than x less than 1. Equal to 0 for x is equal to 1, less than 0 for x greater than 1. Here we observe that the values of y decrease with the increase in x. Means as x increases, the value of y decreases, and this can be seen from the graph here, that is from 8.2. Thank you.